another video of me working on my S15. Today, not a lot of work being done, looking a little bit less beaten I guess. Just one stitch left on there, the rest are kind of falling off just with a bit of sweat from working, which isn't great. Eyes still pretty wet, red, honestly not too sore at all, but got an exciting package that came today, and that is a Nismo steering wheel. So it's brand new. I had to buy from a scalper though from Japan, as I couldn't buy one new. So opened it up once quickly to have a look in here, but let's do the proper unboxing together. So steering wheel cover, pretty cool. Don't know when I'll use that, but cool little thing. Trying to work out how I'm going to spread this out. Yeah. Then the actual steering wheel itself. So pretty much just your classic design. I guess you pay your money just because it says that. But yeah, a bit heavier than normal. Might chuck it on the scale compared to a normal wheel and see what it weighs up. And when we open everything else up, got the horn button. Still it looks like there's a plastic coating on it because there's little bubbles and stuff. Honestly not sure how I'm going to get the horn to work. That would be an afterthought. And then one thing I really wanted was a pad. I actually bought a Nadi Gara free, but the horn button's glued on and it was off centre. Here we are, the pad. Big money items. So I've just chucked the boss kit in the car loosely on there, same with some of the plastics, so I can chuck the steering wheel in there and see what it looks like. Here we are. I'll get some better shots with me out of the way in a second. Just got two ugly bolts holding it in. Need to buy some new black ones. I'll chuck the horn button on. Not straight, but that doesn't matter at the moment. Whenever I move everything, the plastics move behind as the boss gets too long and everything comes out of place. I haven't actually chucked this pad on yet. Assume it goes on pretty. It's actually leather covered too. But there we are. Kind of looks like a bit like a transformer. Not the prettiest wheel overall, but I kind of sold myself on it the more I looked at it. So there we are. Open up the garage door in a second so we got a bit more light. I'll move my legs out of the way so you can see what it actually looks like. There we go. All its glory. It'll stay on there till I get the proper boss kit and the hardware anyway. I'm not doing anything else on this side of the car. But I just want to show you the new wheel. Pretty bad light. When we get the car out in the light properly, I'll get some better photos and stuff of it. But pretty rapt to get that on there. Another thing I got at the same time, well, very similar time, thought why not, Nismo wheel nuts. At the moment, although I've got the wheels on, I'm not going to chuck these on yet, as the wheels are going to come on and off a few more times, and there's just no point in taking these on and off when the wheels are held on with one bolt at the moment that's finger tight, as it doesn't need any more while it's on it's on jack stands. When it's rolling, different story. We've also managed to make some progress. That cardboard catch can has turned into, I guess, an alloy catch can now. Well, masking tape together alloy catch can. All the dimensions apart from the bottom are there, and I got a rough cutout for the bottom, which I have to do out of a bit of flexible alloy, as it's a weird shape. I don't think I can do that out of a flat piece. It needs to have a slight bend in it. Well, we'll try to do it out of a flat piece, but I don't know. We'll make it work. The bottom will be the last bit anyway. I'll draw around it, we'll see what happens. Just go from there.
Peel it off. Ooh. No, I like your old one better.
That's good. You're so proud of yourself.